Welcome back. This is round 3 in TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. The scores are Creative Kids Learning Academy on 10 and Mona Prep on 9. It's now time for the Junior Challenge Face-Off, which covers math, science, English language, and social studies. Face-Off 1 is in the category of mathematics. It's between Malik Campbell, the captain of Creative Kids Learning Academy, who's up against Khalil Bartlett of Mona Prep. Captain Malik, we begin with you. There are 1,800 students at a school, and 40% of them are boys. How many girls are there?
1,080.
That's right. How many hours are in 3.5 days?
74.
That's incorrect. Khalil, want to try?
Yes, please. 84 hours.
That's correct. Captain Malik, what is 67,890? Rounded off to the nearest 100,000.
100,000.
That's right. What's the perimeter of a square with an area of 81 centimeters squared?
36 centimeters.
That's right. What's the sum of 19.98 and 24.87?
44.85.
That is correct. Over to you, Khalil. A fruit vendor. Man has 900 apples, but 65% of them are spoilt. How many good apples does he have?
$315.
That's right. How many hours are there in 5 3/4 days?
148.
Judges. Judges, bell came first or the answer? The bell came first. Question passes. Captain, want to try?
Yes, please. 138 hours.
That is correct. Khalil, what is 25,987? Rounded off to the nearest 10,000.
30,000.
That's right. What's the perimeter of a rectangle with an area of 48 centimeters squared and a length of 12 centimeters?
32 centimeters.
That's right. What's the sum of 23.67 and 16.89?
40.56.
That is correct. Taking us now to our next face-off in the category of science. It's between Mackay Collins of Creative Kids Learning Academy, who's up against the captain of Mona Prep, Captain Zachary Thomas. Mackay, we begin with you. Which word refers to how fast an object moves over a certain distance?
Speed.
That's right. Why does a ship float no matter what it is made of?
Because the buoyancy is stronger than the gravity acting on the ship.
Accepted. That is correct. Mackay, which part of the human ear produces wax to trap dust and germs?
Inner ear.
That's incorrect. Captain, want to try?
Yes, please. The ear canal.
That is correct. Mackay, when a force causes an object to move from its starting point, what's this called?
Work.
That's right. What word starting with A is the name for substances added to food to maintain their freshness and to improve their taste and appearance?
Additives.
That is correct. Over to you, Captain Zachary. Force can make an object turn or rotate about a fixed point. What's the name of this fixed point?
A fulcrum.
That is correct, or a pivot. Captain, why will a fresh egg sink to the bottom of a container with water? Question passes. Mackay, want to try?
Yes, please, because it is denser than the water.
That is correct. Captain, what's the more common name for the cerumen in the human ear?
Earwax.
That's correct. Captain, explain why no work is done when you push hard against a stationary wall.
Because the force is not great enough.
The force is not great enough? Accepted, or because the wall did not move? That is correct. Captain, what word starting with C means to use force to squeeze something together?
Compress.
That is correct. Taking us now to our next face-off in the category of English language. It's between Dimitri Heslop of Creative Kids Learning Academy, who is up against Jordan Elliott of Mona Prep. Dimitri.